Hello, my name is Jaka Repansek from RePublic DOO, and I'm a general member of IMGL in Slovenia. Sports betting is legal in Slovenia. However, several restrictions and rules apply. According to the Slovenian law on games of chance, sports betting is a classic game, and it can only be organized in Slovenia by the operator Sports Lottery. This rule is extended to the online market and mobile markets as well. The regulatory entity responsible for gaming in Slovenia is the Ministry of Finance. Although Slovenia has a very developed land-based casino sector, the development of the remote gambling market remains rather slow, as there are still several regulatory restrictions for new licenses to be issued in Slovenia. In 2007, new legislation was brought in to cover sports betting, putting betting under the control of a single national operator, which offers a number of random games along with sports betting markets on a range of sports, the most popular of which is football. However, many Slovenians still choose to wager with international sports betting companies. Playing on those sites is not considered illegal for the players. However, offering sports betting products to Slovenian players without a license is a violation of the law on games of chance, as mentioned earlier. Further changes of Slovenian gambling legislation were discussed from 2010 until 2013, although this focused mainly on the casino market. It was proposed in 2013 that a single betting license would be issued, while 30 licenses could be issued to online casino providers. However, those proposals are still pending and no changes are anticipated in the foreseeable future. How long this legal regulatory situation will continue for is very uncertain. Regarding taxation, Slovenian sports bettors are liable to pay 15% tax on their winnings over 300 euros. With many recent changes in the Slovenian online market, it is uncertain what happens next in the country. While there are some international sites which choose to block Slovenian players, there is also a large number of them who accept Slovenian players, believing that they are operating within the rights under European Union law. The situation could easily result in either a crackdown on foreign sites or in a relaxation in the laws in the future. Despite these options, what appears most likely is a continuation of the current state of affairs, with one officially licensed operator and many operating in a gray market, to call it so, in Slovenia. There have been several attempts by the regulator to prevent foreign operators from offering their services to Slovenian players in recent years. However, most cases are still pending, and the largest problem for the national regulator remains the possibility to enforce domestic legislation to EU-based licensed operators. The main force driving eventual changes in legislation could derive from legal challenges linked to recent EU courts' decisions, which could also affect Slovenian legislation and licensing model as well. However, again, no major changes in legislation or regulatory landscape or adoption of a new law are anticipated in the sports betting sector in 2021.